Terra Luna Classic holders, what's happening, guys? I'll tell you, it's a pretty interesting way to start Monday. First, USDC running up, which is good. Second, after the Binance burns, LUNC going down. Pretty weird, but it happens, right? I'm going to tell you all the details. Third, there are new proposals, getting out there by Terra rebels and the community, probably reducing that nice 1.2 tax burn. I see some people supporting, I see some people against it. I want to touch base and give you the latest. Fourth, welcome to 5 billion burn by the LUNC tax. And I think that's something to celebrate, right? I know Binance did that in one batch, a couple weeks ago, a week ago or so, and they just did 3 billion, 2.90 something to be more precise, but 3 to make it round. Great job. Thank you so much, CC. Overall, things cooking. And during the lives, we talked about, do you want to reduce the tax? Most of you, no. Do you want to change minting, add minting so faster burn? A lot of people said no. But the yes won because it's about burning as fast as possible. Even we have to do that. So there are many things right here. There are many different thoughts and opinions. And it seems that still this project is trying to find the sweet spot. And we're not going to get to the sweet spot, I think, in the month of October, right? Per se, at least. But we just got to continue going through everything and continue burning and continue supporting. And I'm about to tell you what this crazy market is doing because October 13, this Thursday, we have the CPI data coming out. And if you haven't noticed why is LUNC down, well, maybe because it's in the top 30 by market cap. That means that Bitcoin, of course, is going down. It's up. It's going to be approaching $18,000 right now, 18,900. That means that if the CPI is much worse than we expect, if it's better, 7 point something, and probably LUNC can do something. I mean, and I ask you on YouTube, is the LUNC burn higher or lower than your expectations? Guess what won? I'll tell you by the end of this video. And smash the like button, guys. Consider subscribing to the channel and turn on those notification bells. Welcome, welcome. It's barely Monday, but we're starting seeing the fireworks. The party is getting started. So here's the first situation that we're looking right now for LUNC. Nice, 60% on my trading view chart since a little bit over 24 hours ago, right here, 3 a.m. on the 9th. Today's the 10th for more perspective, 4-hour view. But on the LUNC side, look at that. Now, realistically speaking, I'm still okay because it's inside my quadrant, my rectangle right here, which is the consolidation period LUNC has been holding. But we do not normally see 1, 2, 3, 4. That is 4 times 4. That's 16 hours of just LUNC selling off. And here's why I think it's happening. Whales are moving. Some people are just looking at something else. They're selling off. They're cashing out. Where are they putting their money right now? I wouldn't be wrong to consider that they're looking at probably USDC at the moment because 60% in the last 1 day, it completely correlates to 3031. That was before the burn, and that's it. It's been so far. Let me go ahead and help you guys out here. We're looking at about 30% down. That hurts, to be honest with you. That hurts because this I'm still leaving this, so this, guys, is what we did with the first burn. I'm going to close this for you. This is going to be October 1st. Remember? First burn. All excited. 30%. And during the live this weekend, everybody was talking about maybe a 15% or so. Or not really. I mean, on the run-up, we just did 12%, right? Not enough, in my opinion. But, I mean, it still was something. But it couldn't hold anything. So what we're seeing repeat over and over is pump and dump. Pump and dump. Is that what I want in a project? No. Why would I want to pump and dump? But it is what it is. It is what happens that we have to take it. On the other hand, USDC at this time is just, doing well. Exploded, right? That was a video I put. Exploded here, and then once again, and then once again, and then once again. So this is what's happening. Pretty interesting dynamic we're seeing right now, and it's probably created by the new proposal posted by one of the members of the Terra rebels. I'll take it. and basically a way to repeg back to $1. We discussed that last week. Bitcoin at this time, just to give you an idea, complete bull trap and then consolidated and going down. It matters because it's Bitcoin. So like I've said, the important news, this is an important message for you guys to consider because it's going to affect us all. Now, boom. I checked on CC. I didn't see any message from Binance, and I don't think he posted anything. I believe he was busy today. Yeah, I think people were using the previous link, which is this one. So you click here and you finally see the batch, right? So it was 2.992 million LUNC burn, which is good, roughly $916,000. A lot of people are happy with it. I know a lot of people are not unhappy because they wanted more, but here it is, batch 2, and we have to take it, right? Like last time we talked about, no one is coming close to what they're doing, and at least we got the top, according to LUNC Penguins, the top exchange right now helping us burn as much as possible. And I know it's not the 1.2 tax number, but whatever. Anything helps at this point, right? When it comes to the new proposals, right? Classic Crypto a couple hours ago said a new LUNC proposal recently came out, coded by Edward Kim and created by other people as well. It details the need for a reduction in the 1.2 tax burn to 0.02% toward a treasury to help validators, developers. And he's going to be a future validator, and basically says there's no denying that volume has declined because it's a lot of that 1% after onboarding the 1.2 tax burn. So here it is. This is what some of the developers on Terra Rebels are saying inside of the because the burn tax was never a good idea from a pure economical standpoint, right? This is saying on September 12th, but it made sense to bring people together. They're replying to this. I have been recorded many times in many places on this subject. And the devs aren't really pro burn tax. So it seems that it's been hurting the volume on that one and the validators as well, right? So here's the proposal. It's already out October 10th. So it seems that it's getting momentum. And it is just another way, it does look like, to consolidate and start putting some actual true colors and settings to this entire ecosystem, right? Because I'm going to bring LUNC Terra here. It's great that we have 5 billion, but if it's, killing the volume, we're seeing right here, LUNC, just take a look at this, guys. It just seems that we cannot even hold anything. It's now coming down. I hope that we continue stabilizing, because if not, then we're going to be in some trouble as we continue our decline, right? And we don't want that. So FYI, the people are considering this, and of course, continue doing your research. Almost 10 billion just by Binance alone. Great job. I'm sure that by the next burn that is going to be on the 17th of this month, 17th right here, we're going to be having, it's going to be from the 9th to the 15th. So 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 7 days, right? So I'm sure that hopefully it's going to be way above 2 billion and a little bit less than 4 billion. So right in that sweet spot. I ask you, everybody, overall, the Binance burns are 25% said are what we expected, but 40%, you guys are saying lower than my expectation. So thank you for posting your vote here. 11% are saying a complete disappointment. I'm out. LUNC will not recover. You guys are putting it, right? And higher than my expectations, 8%. So that's really, really good. And of course, we needed more CEXs as soon as possible. Well, everybody, it's probably just whale games at this point, right? It's the sell-offs, the buys here on USDC. It's still a bear market. It's still a time for a lot of buying the dip and holding strong, because equities are getting demolished right now with inflation and all the worst things that are happening overseas. So brace yourself, have some money on the side, and let's keep on rolling. I'll see you next time, everybody. Like, subscribe. Thank you very much. Peace.